Hi, I'm Jill Dumasnell, and I will be your instructor for Math 105 this semester. This is an online course located in Blackboard that does not require any synchronous or live meeting times. Such courses are called asynchronous courses. The purpose of this video is to briefly go over the course syllabus. A syllabus is a document that outlines the processes, procedures, and policies for a course. It will answer most operational questions about how the course will work. To get to our course syllabus, log on to Blackboard at classes.alaska.edu using your UA credentials. You will see a list of your current courses. When you click on the Math S105 JD1, you will land on the announcements page for this course. I will post multiple announcements to this page each week. The most recent announcement will always be on the top, but you should make sure to read all the announcements as they will contain important information for your work in the course. On the left side of the page, notice there are a list of links. The course syllabus is the second link. Click on the syllabus link now. Quickly scrolling through the syllabus, we see that it is divided into 4 main parts. The first section is called Class Logistics. This section gives particulars about class meetings in Blackboard, instructor information including contact information, office hours, and my appointment calendar. The second main section is Course Information. Here you will find detailed information about the course prerequisites, textbooks, software, student learning outcomes, etc. The third section is called Expectations and Grading. This section details course procedure, how the assignments are accessed, student responsibilities, test dates, and grading information. The last section is called Other Important Information, and it contains UAS-specific information about academic and student support available, as well as UA policies on non-discrimination and Title IX. Let's go back to the first page and look at some specific details. Here you will see that this is an asynchronous online course located in Blackboard. However, the course is instructor-paced and has firm beginning, ending, and assignment due dates. The class begins on Monday, August 29th, and students who do not begin working in the course by Friday, September 2nd will be dropped from the course with a full refund. You will also find my contact information. I can be reached by phone message, email, or my Google appointment calendar. Faculty office hours are regularly scheduled times when an instructor is available to meet with you outside of class to discuss any questions or concerns you have about the course material. It is very helpful if you make an appointment with your instructor so that they can expect you and can both prepare for the appointment and let you know if there is a change in their schedule. I use a Google appointment calendar for scheduling student appointments. All UA students have a Google account associated with their university enrollment. Simply log into this account using your @alaska.edu email, address, and password. Once you are signed in, you will have access to my appointment calendar via the link shown on the syllabus. This link will also be present on every email message you receive from me. When you click on my calendar link, you will see my available appointment times. Look for a time that fits your schedule and open that time slot. The appointment will automatically be created as a Zoom meeting. If you want to meet face-to-face or at a time that is not listed, please let me know and I will try to accommodate your request. When you click Save on the appointment, you will appear on my calendar and email confirmations will be sent to you and to me. Moving down to the course information section, note that the textbook is free online, and I've linked the appropriate sections to read in the weekly content folders. Also notice that you will purchase your subscription to the Newton Alta software when you click on the first homework assignment. Your account will automatically be created and you will be prompted to enter a credit or debit card number. Moving on to the third section on expectations and grading, note that if your preferred name is not the name that appears on the course roster, please let me know so that I can use your preferred name. Also, I use she, her pronouns. If you wish to inform me of your preferred pronouns, please feel free to do so. The Newton Alta software utilizes adaptive learning technology to deliver a personalized learning environment. Alta provides just-in-time instruction and remediation when you are struggling with an assignment. Therefore, some assignments, when you already know the material, go very quickly, and some assignments take longer to complete. It is important to avoid guessing when you don't know an answer, because this confuses the software and interferes with Alta's ability to assess your knowledge level. In general, guessing leads to long assignment experiences. Click for more instruction when you don't know how to work a problem. Many students expect that an online or distance course will be easier and take less time than a traditional face-to-face course. This is an incorrect assumption. In fact, it takes more time, discipline, and effort to take an online course. You must work independently on your own to stay on track. In general, for a 4-credit course without live meeting times, you should expect to spend a minimum of 12 hours per week working on the course material. This includes time spent reading the assigned textbook sections, watching the posted videos, taking and reviewing notes, and working on the homework assignments. You will score 100% on homework assignments as long as you master the assignment objectives by the posted due date. Due dates are clearly posted on each assignment and fall on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday by 11:59 p.m. Alaska time. To emphasize due dates, they are also color-coded by day. Monday due dates are highlighted light red or pink, Tuesday dates are light orange or peach, and Thursday dates are highlighted in blue. Finally, Friday dates appear in light purple. If you have issues seeing colors, the due dates are also spelled out by day, date, and time. Late homework is accepted upon mastery up to 1 week late with a 5% deduction per day late. You will want to be sure to keep a 3-ring notebook or binder with each homework problem neatly written and worked out. Even though the homework is online, you are not intended to work the problems without writing them down. Completing homework assignments by the posted due date comprises 50% of your course grade. There will be 4 midterm exams or tests and 1 comprehensive final exam. These exams will be taken online, but are intended to be taken without outside resources. That is, the tests are closed book, closed notes, and closed internet. There is a test review center in Newton to assist with preparation for tests. Adaptive review assignments correspond to the topics and objectives on the test and are automatically generated in the test review center. These review assignments are personalized to your individual learning history and can be filtered by past mastery on the related topics. The Test Review Center is located at the bottom of the Course Content tab. Please note the exam schedule provided and plan accordingly. The test due dates indicate the latest that tests can be submitted. It is always acceptable to take tests early. The average of the four midterm exams count as 30% of your course grade, and the comprehensive final exam counts as the remaining 20%. I mentioned the other section on other important information. You should carefully read this section of the syllabus. It obviously contains information that is important for students. Over the past several years, we have collectively experienced unprecedented events that have caused and continue to cause fear, stress, and pain for many members of our community, and will continue to impact each of us in various ways throughout the semester. Under these circumstances, it is completely normal to feel overwhelmed or anxious and to have difficulty concentrating. I have designed this course with these challenges in mind and am committed to continuing to work with you to create a positive and supportive learning environment throughout the course. If your health, well-being, or schoolwork are being impacted by recent events, I encourage you to make use of the resources that UAS provides. UAS campuses reside on the unceded territories of Alaska Native peoples. We acknowledge that the Tlingit people have been stewards of the land on which we work and reside since time immemorial, and we are grateful for that stewardship and incredible care. Finally, you will want to keep a copy of the syllabus for easy review throughout the semester. If you have any questions about the syllabus or what something means, please contact me.